So new feature we have within the new camera is a feature called dual pixel raw. It is an image micro adjustment that we can do after the fact. So if you take your photograph, you're able to go into the scene after that and make an image adjustment. And what I mean by image adjustment is simply this. So we have an image that was taken with dual pixel raw turned on, and you can recognize that by the DPR icon down here on the thumbnail. But as I enable the window and bring up Start Dual Pixel Raw Optimizer, so I'm going to zoom in here so we can see it at 100%, at a 1:1. And we have three options that we can work with. We have Image Micro Adjustment, which is what I'm going to demonstrate here for you now. Bokeh Shift, we can actually shift the foreground, background bokeh and make a selective area of that. Or we can do some ghosting reduction. Maybe you have a lens that has a little bit more ghosting or flare. But those three options are what's available to us. We can do one at a time. We can't do all three at a time or any number of them, just one at a time. So with image micro adjustment, I'm just going to enable that. And with this image here, this is very specific to what aperture you're at, what focal length you're at, how far the subject is away. So it's a very, very fluid thing, if you will. So I'm going to give it the most adjustment front and the strength. And you'll notice that the image will just give a little bit of refinement from, say, this area to this area. And what I'll do is I'll hit a reset here so you can see that action again, it's just in reverse. So we'll hit the reset and you'll see that it goes back to standard. So image micro adjustment is something that's going to come into play when maybe you're working wide open aperture lenses. Maybe you just need to refine that area, maybe an eyelash or eye, nose, maybe it's a flower, you're trying to just refine that little tiny area of the image. So that's what the image dual pixel raw does for us.